Welcome back to Kenny's Tour Review. Today we'll be reviewing this Kastforce sheet metal brake. If you don't know what a sheet metal brake is, you basically put a piece of sheet metal in here and you bend it to whatever degree you want, 90 being the most common. This is not a finger brake, so this is not good at making boxes, but it will make 90-degree bends and you can kind of work around it. Just because if you bend up both sides and then you try to put it in here and bend up the last side, you'll probably get to about there before it hits the other two sides you've already made. At least start the bends for you. Maybe you can finish it by hand. You can bolt it down if you want. We've just got it here because we tend to move it. I use this to make my whole diagnostic cart. I made it out of sheet metal and square tubing. I've also used it many other times to make many other things. It works great. I believe I got it on Amazon. It's got little stop limits here. You can set this. You can see this moves. Depending on the thickness of the material, you'd want to change that. And you can look up how to use that on. It's definitely a great tool. I mean, if you're making a lot of boxes, I guess you could modify it and cut one of these somewhere so you could use it like a finger brake and then be able to make a box if you really wanted to. But I highly recommend this for DIYers. It's definitely paid for itself at this point. I've used it quite a lot. So any comments, please put them down below. Like, subscribe. I'll try to put a link for this in the video if I can still find it. I've had this for many years, so not sure if if I'll be able to find it on Amazon, but I will pull out a link if I do. I'd like to thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.